Hi, I'm Heidi. I'm one of the veterinary technicians at the Royal York Animal Hospital, and I'm going to show you how to brush your pet's teeth today. So we have Indy here, and I'm going to show you how to brush his teeth, but it's generally the same process for cats or dogs. So some of the tools you're going to be using are a toothpaste specific for cats and dogs. So what we recommend is CET toothpaste, and it comes in many different flavors. I'm just going to be using basically a regular toothbrush. You can use that, but depending on the size of your pet's mouth, they come in all kinds of types and sizes. So there are little tiny toothbrushes for your cat or your chihuahua, as well as finger brushes. So these ones slip over your finger, and you can just use it using your finger in the mouth. So if you've never brushed your dog or cat's teeth before, you kind of have to get them used to manipulating their face and their mouth. So one of the things, obviously, is using treats to get them to let you do this if they're not very fond of it. So, when they're young puppies or kittens, it's always a good idea to just handle their mouth, handle their face, and giving them treats when you're doing it, so that's the whole training process. It might take a couple weeks, months even, depending on the pet. Once you get used to that, you can start introducing your fingers right into the mouth with a little bit of toothpaste on it. And then they'll get used to that toothpaste, especially with cats. They might not like it as much, but it is a flavored toothpaste. They should take it well. So once you're kind of associated, the toothpasting with it and using your finger kind of to just brush your teeth, you can slip on a finger brush, or you can go directly to a toothbrush. So I'm just going to put a little bit of the toothpaste on the toothbrush. Sit, Indy. Sit. Sit for me. Good boy. Okay. So just opening up the gums, and you're going to focus on the outside of the teeth, facing the cheeks. So you just brush the same way you would brush your own teeth, along the gum line in a downward motion. Make sure you're getting all of the teeth. You might have to reapply some toothpaste since they like it so much, they kind of just lick it off. And make sure you don't use human toothpaste because it can be dangerous for them because they are swallowing it. So you are just going to be focusing on the outside surfaces, all of the teeth all the way to the back. You don't have to go inside the mouth and worry about the inside surfaces. Just the natural movement of the saliva and the tongue usually cleans them pretty well. The major tartar does build up along the outside. So one of the teeth to really focus on is this large one right here on the top, the carnassial tooth. That one gets a lot of plaque and tartar buildup, and we don't always see that one because it's further back in the mouth, as well as the canine teeth. Good boy, Indy. Make sure you do both the bottom and the top of the teeth. Okay, Indy. It will take some time to get them used to the whole process, but he's not doing too bad. But that's basically how you brush your pet's teeth, and just trying it every day is the best. If you can, just like the best. If you're doing it once a week, it's not really going to do very much, so every day is obviously the best method, and that's pretty much it.